G'day everybody. Today's adventure takes us to Hotel Lulu right here in Anaheim, California on Harbor Boulevard down the road from Disneyland. I'm going to take you for a tour inside the hotel, and also we're going to start off with having a bit of a look at what's nearby to give you a bit of an idea whether or not this is the place to stay for you and your family. So come on everybody, here we go. So the first thing you got to notice is right next door you do have an IHOP. This is open 24 hours a day, but there are no special discounts if you are staying at the hotel. So the great thing here is that there are quite a few things nearby. So you've got some eateries, you've got some pharmacies, so you've got Walgreens, and then across the road you've got CVS. The Starbucks is absolutely fantastic because it's actually quite quiet, and it's just past Walgreens, just behind those little signs there. Here is the lobby, coming into lobby here now. Some artwork, the front desk, TV for the kids, so when you're actually checking in. Now, one of the things I did love about this place is the artwork all around the place. It is absolutely fantastic. I love these bikini things and the bathers that they have going on. It's great. Now, it does have a gym. It also does have a laundromat, but the laundromat was closed due to renovations. But the gym's actually quite nice. So this is the dining room where you can have breakfast in the morning, where we'll be tomorrow morning. Now this just gives you a bit of an idea of what the breakfast looks like. I'll go a little bit more over the breakfast in a little bit more in this video, but this is my breakfast. It was awesome. Also takes you out to the pool and bar.
Oh no, we were just coming to have a look.
Mommy.
It's got cornhole. Now, I didn't film much of the pool, and that was just because I didn't want to invade anyone's privacy, but it is a very nice pool and it is heated. They've got their own little merchandise. Sundry items. Oh, just basically snacks, really. They've got some yeah. So you do have some beverages. Okay, so you got a frappuccino.
I like you want that strawberry milk there.
Oh, actually, yeah.
Could just go for that right now.
Yep.
Look how big that apple can. There's an apple can.
Some alcohol for adults. Beverages for everybody else. So if you're feeling a bit thirsty during the night, you can come down and actually purchase some stuff. And just a quick look of the room. So you've got the bathroom. It is a really decent size. The shower head itself is very, very good. It was a decent shower. I'm going to give the shower head probably about a 3 out of 5. Then you do have your kettle, you do have a microwave, and just underneath the microwave as well, you do have a safe. The safe isn't big enough to fit your laptop, but you can put your passports and that sort of stuff if you're going in. It does have 2 queen size beds. They are very, very, very comfortable beds. We had a great night's sleep and we woke up really refreshed. And the rooms are also really dark and extremely quiet as well. So if you do need that, that is fair. If you do need that darkness, this is a great room, and it also does have a bar fridge just down there, which kept our drinks nice and cool. We got our drinks just at Walgreens down the road. All right, so we're now back in Australia and had some time to think about Hotel Lulu and our final thoughts, basically at the end of the day. So, with Hotel Lulu, we were there for 6 days, and honestly, it was a very comfortable stay. There are a few negatives, but that's the same with every hotel, and I've got to go over those few little negatives to go over the positives. So one of the negatives is the free breakfast, or not so free breakfast anymore. So with the free breakfast, they're actually phasing out the free breakfast. So, and I'm a big fan of that free breakfast because it's not a buffet. So to me, if I am looking, I would be to staying at the Hotel Lulu, I would be looking to make sure that I'm getting the free breakfast included, because that breakfast was amazing. We had the breakfast in the morning, and because it wasn't that buffet breakfast, it didn't go through your system as quickly, it was able to really fill you up. You were filled right up, so we didn't have to get any extra food until lunchtime, which to me is a fantastic thing when you're going to a place like Disneyland. If your belly is completely filled up, it just starts your day really, really, really well. Now, the only downside is, and that is the only downside, is the fact that the free breakfast is being phased out. One of the other negatives, because it really threw us, we weren't prepared for it. Most of the other hotels we've stayed in will have a $100 deposit that you have at the start of your stay. No matter how long you stay, it's usually around $100. At Hotel Lulu, it is $50 per night. So because we were there for that 6 nights, that was $300. Now, doesn't seem like a lot, but when you weren't prepared for it, kind of hurts a little bit, because that was an extra $200 out of our budget that we weren't ready for. So just keep an eye on that one, because if you're staying longer you stay, higher that deposit's going to be. Now, as for the stay itself, the stay itself was really, really, really comfortable. I really enjoyed the stay at Hotel Lulu. The beds were comfortable. It's close to amenities, so having that Starbucks around the corner meant that I could get my morning coffee in the morning with no lineup. Like, I think I only ever waited, I think the longest I waited for my coffee was 5 minutes at that Starbucks. So if you are staying nearby, definitely go to that Starbucks before you go to the parks. It's going to save you a ton of time than getting your coffee inside the park. Now, there are some other things that are very close by, like you got the CVS, you got the Walgreens next door. So you've got a few options as well to get some water, take it back to take it back to your hotel. So really, I kind of enjoyed that fact that it is close to those amenities. Now, if you did want to go to McDonald's, that's a bit more of a further walk. That's down the other end of basically Harbour Boulevard, so you're going for a little bit more of a walk. So you're going past all those hotels, you walk past Disney a little bit, and you walk past hotels a little bit more, and you'll see the McDonald's down there. Now, so that's closer to the Hojo end, or Howard Johnson is the hotel. So the McDonald's is closer down that end of Harbour Boulevard. So other than that, our stay was actually really comfortable, and I mean really comfortable. It was one of those hotels which was about a 10-minute walk to Disney. I think it was a 10 or 12-minute walk to Disneyland. Can't quite remember, but it's not the longest trip to Disneyland. You've just got to cross those lights, and I think you cross 2 sets of lights and you're at Disneyland. So it was good. It's close to transportation, so if you wanted to catch a bus somewhere, the bus is just on the corner. So if you wanted to catch an Angels game, do some shopping, and you didn't drive. Now, one of the things I can't comment on too much about as well is parking. We didn't drive. We caught Ubers everywhere, so we didn't drive to this one here. We kind of Ubered it. So I can't tell you what the parking was per day, but I do know that it's not free parking there. So you do have to pay for parking there, and I think it's like near some of the other places, around $17 to $30 is per night, per parking, is what you're paying. So just be aware of the cost of parking as well. But yeah, other than that, really good stay. Would I stay there again? Absolutely. Would I stay there again if I got that free breakfast? Oh, damn, yeah. That, to be honest with you, that's what would make me stay again. If I wasn't getting that free breakfast in the morning, I honestly wouldn't be staying there. I'd find one of the other places that has included breakfast, because I'm a big fan of included breakfast when I'm staying at a hotel. So I would absolutely be finding one of those hotels that have that included breakfast if they don't give it to you. So that's it from the review here from us today. If you did like the video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what you do. You've done it all before. But as always, keep riding those vibes, and I hope you have a wonderful day.